It's gluten-free for gluten-free people, and 0 grams added sugar. We're going to preheat the oven at 350 and then follow the instructions. So on this channel, I've already made one keto-friendly, low-carb cake. You guys can check it out. I will try leaving the link below in the description box. But I am planning, if you guys can see above my fridge, I have my entire surface of my fridge full of cakes that I want to try, so make sure you guys follow. I try to keep my videos simple, straightforward, not too much talking, and just short, less than 10 minutes. So, you know, I try to include whatever I can in less than 10 minutes and give you guys good content. So make sure you follow and like the video. Just to mention, if you guys are tired of vanilla flavors, etc., like with this particular cake, I believe it would be very much okay to add like lemon extract, which I think like I'm going to do it, maybe a teaspoon or so. You don't really need it because I'm just tired of like vanilla and chocolate all the time, so I think I want to do a lemon today. So I think that should not be a problem. So the batter actually looks very good, if you guys can see. It is very good, and it tastes like vanilla cake. It's actually really, really good. I'm surprised because this one is the cheapest that I have. The cheapest brand that I have purchased out of all the brands that I have. So I mean, it's like $2 cheaper, but still. But I still would like to add. Let's try with quarter teaspoon of lemon and see if I need more. It just needs 1 teaspoon, so I'm just gonna add whatever. It's been 35 minutes. I cooked it for 20 minutes at first. It was not ready, so I added 10 minutes, and then it was kind of ready, kind of not ready. So I just let it sit for another 5 minutes. The color is beautiful. It smells like lemon cake. Oh my god. It smells like lemon cake. So the surface is a good color. It smells like lemon cake. It is very soft, so hopefully this is not undercooked. We're going to poke it do the old-fashioned thing. We're gonna poke it and see if it comes out dry, which it is, then it is ready. So even though I would love to take a bite right now, I'm going to let it cool down. I'm going to put it on a rack, this net rack, whatever it's called, so that it cools down faster. I have high hopes that all these cakes are like, you know, really good, like just like the other cake. So we'll see. I'm going to cut this into 10 pieces. That's what I'm thinking, but because there are 10 servings, I am really bad with calculating how to cut it, so we'll find out, I guess. But I'm gonna try to cut it in 10 equal pieces as much as I possibly can. Okay, let's just take a look inside. This one actually, if it focuses, this one looks like definitely cake, but it gives me also cornbread vibes as well. But I'm not complaining. For the frosting, we're going to be using this vanilla. This is pretty good brand. I love this brand, especially the chocolate. The chocolate frosting is the best. One each. Okay, so here is the cake. I am so excited. It smells like lemon. So 1 teaspoon was enough. So I don't think you need more than that. I think this is pretty tastefully done. Okay. Definitely lemon cake. Wow. These keto cakes are gonna drive me crazy. And so many people don't even know about them. Keto or not keto, keto or not keto, you're gonna like it. I mean, there's no, I will be very upfront and honest. I'm not a keto freak, okay? I'm not this like, oh, never eat carbs ever again. But like, I've tried regular cake mixes, a lot of them. I'm sure there are some that are good, but I've never liked any brands, like just regular brand. But these keto brands, like, I'm just like, if I will stop ever in my life to like doing this low carb, excessively low carb thing, I will not have regular cake mixes. And also the frostings, the regular frostings are just so weird. It's just so much like you, it just feels like butter. That's all it is. And sugar. I'm shocked.